Okay, let us start the tutorial. So we are going to make the object in page 68. As usual, we'll start by creating a new part. New, and then you go to the templates folder, go to the metric folder inside the templates folder, and select the standard millimeter.ipt. Then click create. So yeah, this is the user interface. Let us change name, the name of the planes as usual. This is X and Y. X and Y plane is front plane. Let's change let's change this to top plane. Okay, to match the naming in your sketching class. Right click, set current view as top. There. So if I rotate this by clicking this button, I mean this triangle, okay, small triangle here, it goes to the front view, and you see the front view is front plane is X and Z plane, which is correct. I mean, not correct, which is the same as what we usually use in the sketching class or in the AutoCAD class before. Okay. So let us start making the complete box. So what is the X? Anybody can help? What the X is?
110.
Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, it's 110. Okay, and what's the Y? The Y is 1.
100.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, so it's 100.
Doctor, we do the problem at page 67.
No, the other one, the 68,
68.
Okay.
with the one with only one circular hole.
Yeah, it's clear. Thank you, Doctor.
You're welcome. And the Z is, what's the Z? 100, is that right?
Yes, also 100.
Okay. So what I'm going to do, I will make a box and I will cut here and there. If needed, we will add a protrusion also here and in there. Let's see. Okay, just a moment. Okay. Okay, let's start a 2D sketch. I will create a rectangular sketch on the front plane. Okay, so that means I will draw the rectangle by using the X and the Z. After that, I will extrude to the Y direction. Okay. So let's create a 2D sketch. The planes, the default planes are automatically appears. So you can select. So it seems the orientation, it's not what you want now. So just find the front view there. Okay. Because we are drawing, we are going to draw the sketch on the front view. There. Okay. Yeah. Alternatively, you can actually, if I do escape, you can expand this folder in the model browser, and then you select first the plane. This is also possible. Select the plane. Say I want to draw on. I want to draw a sketch on the X and Z plane, which is the front plane. And then you click the 2D sketch command. You can also do right click, and click this one, new sketch. Okay. Okay, we have entered the sketching mode. Okay, you can see this button. This means that you are inside the sketching mode. If you are done sketching, you need to click this finish sketch. Let's create the rectangle. I click the rectangle command, and I snap to the origin, the 0, 0. Okay, make sure the snap to a point symbol appears, the arrow and red dot there. Then click. So let's type the X. The X is 110. Enter tab. Press tab key on your keyboard. And then the Z is 100. Okay. So this is your sketch. Once you're done, you can press escape key in your keyboard. So I rotate this just to show you. So this is the sketch that we have made. We will then extrude to the Y direction. Okay, so this is the Y direction. Yeah, of course, before you do the extrude command, you need to finish the sketch. Go click. So click finish sketch, and then click extrude. Okay. The distance is Y, which is 100. There. Press OK. So now you see this is your shape. This is XZ plane, the front. So this is the top plane, and down there is the bottom plane, and so on. Okay. What's the next thing that we would like to make? We can create the, actually there are many ways to do this. Let's cut this region. Okay, what I'm going to do, I will cut like if you look at the top view, okay, if you look at the top view, top, so I will cut a shape like this. I'll cut a shape like that. Okay. You will see what I mean. Okay, click the surface. Now I'm going to draw a sketch on the top plane. Right click, new sketch. So I'm going to create something like this. Okay, there. Make sure it snaps to the line. So horizontally. And then I just click horizontal and make sure you create the line vertically like that. Okay, just like that. Okay. Till here, I will snap to the line. Okay, make sure you snap on the line. Okay, not on a point. Okay, because you will need to adjust this after this. Okay, I think I'll just trim. I click it beyond the line, so let's just trim this part. Let's repeat that. So this is the shape that I'm going to make. What I'm going to do, I will create a closed loop here. Then I will cut this region. Let me rotate. Okay. So this is my plan. I'm going to cut this downward. Okay, I'm going to cut this thing downward. Okay. So you need to have a closed loop sketch here. On the right, you already have this yellow line automatically created by AutoCAD. So this will be assumed or will be regarded as closed already. If you don't have this yellow line, you need to create on your own. Okay, a line from here to there to there. So let's just create from here to here to close the below part. Okay. Now let's use the dimension to adjust these things. Okay, these lines. So from here to here, you know it's 20. Okay. And then this line, we know it is also 20. Right? And from here to there, what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 60. There. And this one, it should be 30. Okay. And this 1, 2, 3, 4. This has to be 40. And this should be 40. Okay. So you can apply this one or you apply that one. Okay, both are possible, but you cannot apply both because it will be over constrained. Okay, you can choose this or that because the total is fixed already. The total length from here to there is fixed. That means you just need to give information. Okay, I press escape. I press escape to exit all commands so that I can move this. Okay, you have this information. Okay, so you know already, you have decided or you have informed the inventor that this line is snapped to this point snapped to this line on the left, and this point here snapped to this line on the right, this one on the left and this one on the right. Okay, so you just need to define 1, 2, 3 dimension. Okay, this one is not needed. Or if you don't want this one, you can choose this one. It's the same, exactly the same. Okay. So once you are done, everything has been adjusted properly. Then you can finish your sketch. Okay, make sure this one is okay. Okay, so this is not needed. Finish your sketch and then extrude. Okay. So you select this closed loop sketch. It will not select the above one because you don't have line here. So this is an open sketch, so it will select the closed loop sketch. And you want to cut downward. You don't want to extrude. You want to cut. So click this, flip. Okay, and the output type has changed automatically to cut. If it doesn't, you need to click this cut output on your own. What is the depth of cutting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 60, right? There. This is the front view. Okay. Is it clear until here? Any question?
No, doctor, it's clear.
Okay, good. And the next thing that I will do, let us cut the object below here. Okay. I will just create a rectangle sketch on the front plane. Then I will extrude to the Y direction. Extrude to the back. So click this plane, create sketch, rectangle command. So I will just snap to that line and use this dimensioning tool. Oh, sorry. Yeah, that one is fixed because I snapped already to the border, or the left and right border. So I just need to define the height. So this height should be 20. There. Press OK. Then extrude. Again to the opposite direction and see what's the depth of cutting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's also 60.
6, doctor, yeah.
60, okay.
60.
There. Okay. The next thing to do, let us cut this shape, inclined surface here. Okay, let's cut the inclined surface there. So you want to cut all the way, I mean all of these from this, starting from here, right? So you can create a sketch on this plane, and then you cut backward. Or alternatively, you can create from there, from the back. Okay, so it's both are doable. So let's do here. I'll create the sketch there. Okay. I will make a line starting from this point. Okay, from here. Make sure you snap to a point. Okay, snap to a point there, and then you go somewhere here. Make sure you don't snap when you see a point like what we see now. Make sure you snap on a line, because you're going to adjust this. Okay, there. So let's do the dimensioning. So from this point to this line, the distance should be
Your voice is
40, 40, 40, right? 1, 2, 3, 4.
yeah, it's 40, yeah.
Okay. So it's 40. You see, that's the object that we have created. If you see here, the yellow line only stops there. There's no line here. So that means your sketch is not a closed loop. So to make sure things, I will just make a line from here to there. Okay. Then press escape when you're done. So now your loop is closed. See, 1, 2, and this one you have the automatic line created by Inventor, the yellow line. So your sketch is closed now, closed loop. Finish the sketch. Extrude. See, you want to flip because you want to cut to the other direction, and through all. You're going to cut to till the end. Okay, so through all, make sure it's cutting. Press OK. There. Okay. The next thing, let's create this. The circular hole. Okay. You can create the object here and cut all through to the back, or you can create this the circular sketch here, the circle, and then cut to the other direction. Okay, I will show you this one. So I'll just click this, create sketch. Okay. And create a circle. Just randomly there. Make sure when you click, it's not attached to anything, because you are going to adjust. What's the diameter? The diameter is 40, right? It's 40. And then the location is 1, 2, 3. So from this surface here to the circle is 30, right? there. And from the top to the circle, it is 1, 2, 3, also 30. So 30 by 30. There. Okay. I will rotate to show you. Okay, so this is the circle that you have made. The diameter is correct already. The position is also correct already. Then you finish your sketch. Okay. Now I'm going to extrude. As usual, you need to flip because you're going to cut. But make sure the distance is correct.